All of the following could be the value of this 1 over 3 minus x, except the big trick here is that, of course, you're first going to say, well, okay, x cannot possibly be 3 because 3 minus 3 would give us a denominator of 0, and you can't divide by 0, so that's the right answer. Unfortunately, in this case, you would be wrong. This question is not actually asking about the possible value of x, it's asking for the possible value of 1 over 3 minus x. Which one of these is not even remotely possible to actually get to? So in that regard, we actually have to approach the problem differently. You can plug in numbers, or you can kind of use logic. You know, there are a lot of ways to arrive at some of these other numbers. I mean, 5. So it's pretty easy to see ways that we could get to -3 by just doing something to cancel out the positive 3 that's in there and end up with a negative fraction. So 1 over that would give us -3 1/3. If x equaled 0, that would just give us 1/3. So it's not that guy. It's not that guy. 5 is a little bit trickier. But again, if we were to get a fraction in the denominator of the fraction, that turns it around into being a number larger than 1, which enables us to get counting numbers for values. The only one we can't get by any amount of fooling around with what goes in the denominator here is 0. You can't actually, I mean, aside from the fact that it's naughty to divide by 0, you can't actually get 0 by subtracting anything from you can get to 0 in the denominator. You can't get to 0 by 1 divided by anything. There's no number that you can divide 1 by that gets you 0. So it is in fact choice B, 0, that we can't get to with 1 over 3 minus x.